Standard 8 History, Maharashtra State Board, Europe and India. During the modern period, the various happenings in Europe had its impact on India. Therefore, for studying the period of modern Indian history, we have to study the events happening in Europe during the period. So let's see that. Period of Renaissance. In history of Europe, the last phase of medieval period, that is 13th to 16th century, is known as the period of Renaissance. Renaissance means rebirth or revival. During this period of Reformation, religious reform movement and geographical discoveries laid the foundation of the modern era. Hence, this period is also known as the Age of Renaissance. During this period, in the field of art, architecture, and philosophy, etc., there was a revival of Greek and Roman tradition which gave momentum to an overall development. During the Renaissance, humanitarianism was given more importance. Humanitarianism means humanism. There was change in the outlook of treating each other as a human being. Instead of religion, man became center point of all ideologies. Ideologies means a system of ideas and ideals. Geographical discoveries. In 1453 AD, the Ottoman Turks conquered Constantinople, that is Istanbul, which was the capital of Byzantine Empire. The overall trade routes joining Asia and Europe went through this city. Since the Turks blocked this route, there was a need of finding alternative trade routes for the European countries to reach Asia. This led to a new phase of geographical discoveries. Rise of capitalism. With the discovery of new sea routes began a new era of trade between Europe and Asia. Many traders came forward to trade with Eastern countries through the sea route. It was not easy to carry out trade single-handedly, and hence many traders came together and started trade. Thus, there was rise of many trading companies. Trade with Oriental countries was very profitable and responsible for economic prosperity. Here, Oriental means Eastern. Hence, European rulers started giving military protection and trade concessions to these trading companies. This led to accumulation of wealth in Europe. This wealth was used in the form of capital for trade and commerce, which led to the rise of capitalist economic system in Europe. Imperialism. Imperialism is a system in which a powerful country controls other countries by establishing its overall domination and establishing many colonies. Many countries from Asian and African continent fell prey to this imperialist aspiration of the European nations. Imperialism of British East India Company in India. There was competition among European countries for acquiring trade monopoly in India. The British established British East India Company in 1600 AD to carry out trade in India. This company took permission from Emperor Jahangir and established its factory in Surat. The trade between India and England was carried out through this company. Struggle between England and French. England and France were rivals in the competition for trade in India. Due to this, there were 3 wars fought between them, which are known as Carnatic Wars. In the Third Carnatic War, England finally defeated France. Therefore, now there were no strong European competitor in India for British East India Company.